Decoding Idioms. It was a wrong call, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, "It was a wrong call." This idiom can be quite confusing, especially for English language learners. So, let's break it down together, shall we? Stay tuned to understand not just the literal meaning, but also how and when to use this expression in everyday conversations. First things first, let's look at what the phrase, "It was a wrong call," actually means. At its core, this phrase is used to express regret or acknowledgement of a mistake in judgment or decision. It's akin to admitting that a decision made was not the right one, often leading to unintended consequences. The word call in this context refers to a decision or judgment, not to the act of making a phone call. To fully grasp the idiom, let's dissect it. "It was" indicates a past action or decision. "A wrong" signifies the incorrectness or inappropriateness of the action. "Call" metaphorically represents a decision or judgment. Together, these components convey regret over a decision that has already been made. Now, let's see how to use "it was a wrong call" in everyday conversations. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, from casual discussions to formal settings. Admitting a mistake. In hindsight, cutting the budget for employee training was a wrong call. It affected our team's performance. Reflecting on personal decisions. I thought moving to the city would make me happier, but it was a wrong call. Sports and games. Choosing to go for a 2-point conversion instead of kicking the field goal? Definitely a wrong call. Understanding the context in which this phrase is used will help you communicate more effectively and naturally in English. It's important to note that admitting a mistake by saying, "It was a wrong call," can be seen as a sign of responsibility and maturity in many English-speaking cultures. This phrase helps to foster a culture of openness and learning from one's errors, rather than hiding them. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "It was a wrong call." Understanding such idiomatic expressions can significantly enhance your English language skills and help you navigate social and professional settings more confidently. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. What matters most is recognizing these errors and learning from them. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.